Hey Chuck, good morning, good morning. Good morning. 15-minute timer start. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Becca. Good morning, Sheila. OP. Good morning. Welcome to the room, Obi. Futures. Good morning. SNK. Good morning. Chuck. Always good morning. That was a little bit of delay at the open here on the quotes. Let's make sure that 3 minutes into the cash market open, our quotes, are they matching up, Adam? Becca? It seems like it. Okay, good. All right. So what we got going on here is a market that is in sync on the short side. We're looking for. I'm late. Yeah. The market is in sync on the short side. We have a target. Target is 560, and we're looking for rallies to be shortable on a swing trade basis toward that target. We got very close to that target and bounced right back up, which tells me that we're gonna get a counter trend that could take us all the way up to 618. So we want to see what kind of market we get once we get to 618. If the market, gets to 610 and fails to progress higher, that will get me to be interested in on the short side. Oh, okay. So Ash, you got your free account. It worked. Perfect, perfect. I want to make sure that you are getting what you want. Congratulations again. Marty, good morning. So we're getting a push. We're probably gonna get to 618 here in a minute. I mean, it's unbelievable. There you go. Re- rejection, rejection against harmony zone number 2 and Globex. So that's important to see. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. The market flip, we have a captain stop long on the 200 NT Rinko. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. Let's see if we can find an actual entry point. Target is about to be hit. 685 is our target. Next target is 710. We're coming up on a whole number 700. 710 is our target. We're at the top end of the Globex band, and that's an area where the market can get faded. Mm. Yeah, they're not giving it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that order. We'll see if we can get an entry here. I mean, that's especially early in the morning. Uh, these kind of momentums carry more than one candle, so we'll see. Okay, that's fine. Let them. We have a target of 710, but if the markets start fading here, most likely it's going to carry some weight toward a push down toward the 50s. So if this candle closes lower at 678, the market can be faded. News in 2 minutes. Thank you. Wow. 2 minutes is a lifetime, Adam, in the futures market. I could be in and out like 2, 3 times by then. If this candle closes lower, I'm going to be looking at a short, but it has to close under 80. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we need a 75 close. Here it comes. One, two. Thank you. Oh, I guess I oversold. Let me actually make a little bit of money on the upside here. Thank you. Boom, that's 1,500 bucks right there. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm done. It's a captain's. It's a it's a captain setup. Like it's a straight up captain setup. I know we got hosed on that one in the Asian market, but they work a whole lot more than they don't. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'll take 1,500 bucks and just call it a good Friday. It's 3 contracts too. So once they went up to the middle of that synthetic open, it's just an automatic. You gotta take a shot at it there. Put a stop. My stop was at the whole number, so the whole number is actually a very good stop area for me. Captain setup switch trade. That would be something, right? I should be interested in that. Multiple switch trades on the 20 NT wrinkle for the people watching that. So we need to break under that 60. Okay, well, that's fine. I mean, that's what they want to do. That's fine. Like, I'm not gonna go against that captain setup, which be actually be honest with you, I went against this big captain setup on the 200 NT Renko, but that spot right here is always fadeable, and I almost want to see the market break 700, come back and retest for me to resume the long. 710 is our target. That's the swing trade target on the Harmony trading system. 'Wow, that's fast. That was a good retest too. That was very fast. Speed, range, and behavior. Speed is fast. Range is contracting. Behavior is there is a captain setup short on the 100. So they're playing games, right? They're always playing games, but that's a captain setup short against the big captain setup long. So now the market is giving you mixed signals early on, and I mean it's going to give you a two. It's giving you a two-sided market. UL, good morning, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. You missed the fun action. You're jumping in my channel. I don't understand. All right, so the market is, like I said, you got the captain set up short on the 100, and you have a captain set up long on the 200. So what do you do? What do we do? We give the market a little bit of time. Let's see who's winning this battle. I don't want to be, you know, fighting through it. Let them figure it out first. How would I know which one is winning? If you start breaking anything under 609, we're seeing that 100 NT Renko captain setup is winning so far. If the market start busting through 67 and pulling back with a higher low, then that is telling me they're gonna run over 700 and run it up. So those are the two levels that I'm gonna keep a very close eye on and look for guidance by watching order flow, watching price action, watching formation, seeing the tone and the speed, and seeing who's winning this little battle. News in 7 minutes. All right. Sit on hand. Not if this captain setup shows up. If they show up a captain setup long on the 50 at 48 against that Globex, I'm gonna look for an entry. My stop is what, 26s? Let me see here. Actually, my stop needs to be right here. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. It needs to start pushing. Yeah, that's not what I want to see. Okay, go, 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 go. You want to go up. I know you want to go up. Let's go. You're going to go 60. You're going to go 60 to 69. They're fighting here. I get it. But order flow 55. 55 coming up. Nope. That's no good. That's going to cost me. Yep, that's going to cost me. One more. I need to go above 40. I'm taking one out. I'm taking the second one out to kind of help with the trade. And just, it is what it is at this point. I don't want to take too much risk. I'm already in 3 contracts. I was in 3 contracts. So I need to see a 45 coming in, and it's just simply not doing it. And we're spending too much time below the synthetic open, so they really need to behave here, or I'm gonna try to dump that last contract. Here we go. That's what they needed to be doing. But I didn't need to be in it for 3 contracts if the market is not behaving correctly. I mean, 69 is not too. We got 4 minutes and they're just playing games here. I get it, but 60 easy. We should be taking out the stops above 50 and start running up to 60, 69. And my stop is a legitimate stop in this spot. And I'm looking for them picking up stops and running. Here it comes. Take another round of stops above 55. 60 coming up. Man. Okay. I sent my order to get out around 52 and they did not fill me till 42. That's 10 points. I mean, that piece made a little bit of money overall. I think the whole structure cost me $100, but so there's a bit of delay on quotes, at least from my end. I need to be careful with that. Still, be honest with you, the trade is still valid and viable. It's just I don't want to. Ahead of news, I don't want to be sitting here through a 3 contract position or any position if it's not moving in my direction quickly. There you go. One minute to the news. Oh man, they're gonna run this bad boy up here without me. And that's okay. You're in it, Adam. Good for you, man. Good for you. 647. Yep, yep. It's a good spot, man. I mean, I liked it. I was in it. I was adding it to it, but it just was not. Look at that crap. Yeah. Not inside news though. Damn. The next 45 minutes. Okay, so Crazy Town. Here we go. Wow. What the hell happened here? There's some issues with my quotes. Some issues with my quotes. Captain set up switch trade on the 200 NT Rinko. We need to be looking at longs across the board. Yeah, I mean we're hitting that 50%, so there's a good chance that we're gonna go all the way down to 632 right now. Flush everybody under Globex. It's a wild market. That is not what I want to do. Damn. Jesus Christ. One contract. I can't get out of my trades, bro. Like, what is going on here? That is not good. Yeah, I'm like my quotes are not behaving. Like I was in a winning trade. I was selling into the 56s. I'm not getting out till 40s. Looking at this, we're getting captain setup, captain setup. So I'm gonna go start going short. Screw it. Let's let him run it up a little bit, and we'll start looking at the shorts. We should be going short and holding on to it for a big target. I should be getting 90 and better. Boom, boom. Thank you. That's a captain setup short all day. Two contracts. I think I made 900 bucks on that trade. We're back to close to equity high. You still in it? Good, good, good. You should be getting 560 off of that trade. That's a short all day. I tell you what, I mean, Adam, I'm sitting here trying to get out of trades, and I can't. So I gotta take my profits when I can. Because I like when the market flips and I'm trying to get out of a trade for whatever reason, I'm not. Becca, I'm sure you're all over that bad boy. 35 bagger for Adam. Good job, Becca. Where we at? You took your profit. Good deal. All right. Good deal. Let's keep going. Preserve your capital Friday. It's all about kicking their ass on Friday. Let's go kick their ass. No, I know. I'm with you on that one. I I took it kind of quickly right at the bottom end of the Globex band because that's usually where they bounce it. So plus we got this quote issue that was a problem early on. Couple of good trades, and I'm gonna call it here. 908. I mean, you had what did you have? We had 60. Yeah, yeah. 5 micros. That's pretty good. All right. We don't want to see. What do I want? Not what we don't want to see. We don't want to see. I mean, you start 03, then 13. So they're gonna run it up. They're gonna run it up to 13. So watch out for that. I mean, there's some sellers coming in here. Here comes the 13. Yeah, jokers. Yeah, that's just the typical behavior here. Now here is where the oh my God, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for that push to get in, but I'm not gonna chase it. The shorts are coming back into play. Let them run it back up. They're playing around a whole number 600. Okay, that's fine. God dang it. Yeah. I was trying to get in, and it's just too fast. The market's too fast. That was a good flip. That's a switch trade. It's trying to go at 81, 85. Our target is 535 and a half. Nasty bottom. Yeah, our target is 535, so that's where we're heading to. We'll reevaluate if we break anything over 600. I mean, they took the stops under that level. What are they doing with the stops? Are they buying them, or are they just continuing a trade under? No, they are continuing. So now, we're right. And be honest with you, I mean, that's just really a wicked behavior. Captain setup, then captain setup, switch trade. You think this thing is going to go to the moon? They flip it on everybody, and now they always favor the second captain. So that's kind of pushing the market lower. And we, from a short perspective, we don't want to see 612. So 600 is going to be like an uncle point to any move. We don't want to see even 580 if we're trying to get short and continue to be short. They took out the stops from under the swing low, and they're buying them. But I'm looking for this buy as an opportunity to get short more than trying to flip the market long. There's a lot of congestions above that, between 580 to 600. So I think the market is going to continue. 510 and a half is our target. Then we're coming into a whole number 500. Next target is 485, 485. Here you go. Adam's getting it done today. Good job, man. 543.75. Okay. God damn it, man. Which one is it? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Good for you. Good for you. Good fucking for you. Here we go. I must like really suck at this. Sure. Okay. Our target is Globex 6085. Next target is 660. Target is 660. Coming up. I'm gonna go short right here. Damn, that was quick. They'll put a captain set up short, 6 prong captain set up short on the 20 NT Rinko. Boom. Took that out in like 2 seconds. Yeah, it's price action, my friend. Price action. It doesn't matter what the Fed is saying, as long as it's reflective. We're short and out. So we shorted that move. We're coming back to Globex. They're playing around with this, with this market. The market is out of sync. The trend is long, but we're just overextended here, and we're going to be testing Harmony Zone number. I mean, look at it. It's even more extended. If we since we hit this level, we're going to most likely go to 607. So 607 coming up. You start selling under Globex again. I'm trying to go short if they give it to me. 607 is where we're going with this thing. Yeah, they're not giving it to me. Well, damn it. I gotta cancel. Here comes 607. Too bad, so sad, but you know, give us another shot at it. You're locked out for the day. Why? That makes sense. Okay. So you see what they're doing, right? They're playing around Globex. They're playing around Globex. And they're playing in the neutral zone. And neutral zone is very trappy. I mean, that initial one into the 607 is good. Then after that, the market will start just spinning its wheels. Globex is 29,635 and a half. Globex is the level in which the futures market open up at 5 o'clock Central Time. So that is a level, and it's a price, and it's the dotted line, purple dotted line. And at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you see the actual price, which is 635 and a half. And it builds up a zone above and below that the actual price, and the price within it has a behavior, outside of it has a behavior, and it trades around it in balance. And that is a behavior. It's very attractive. It's like almost like a point of control for the people that trade that. But it's not the same, it's just similar. All right, so what are we looking for? Where are we in price action? We are in the middle of the opening range, and opening range has a middle, and the middle is this. So we're spinning our wheels in this range. Yeah, no problem. If we start breaking anything under 685, that will set up a sell pressure at Globax. Yeah. Wow. They are really nasty today. Okay, that's fine. That's crazy. What is, what are they doing? One more time, right? You gotta bust through 30. I got my stop. This is funny. Get the fuck out of here. I took one off and it needs to stop moving or I'm out of here. This is hilarious. All right, target is 685, 685. And next target is 710. Target is 710. Mm. Well, if they put a captain setup up here, I mean, that may be a thing to look at. $869, 885. Target is 735. Next target 735, and we'll reevaluate if we break anything under 670. So they took out the stops right above this range, and they're looking as if they're trying to fade it. If they break anything under 79, that will set the stage for selling pressure into the 67, and if we do that, then 57 can show up. So that's kind of the structure here. As long as they continue to trade under above 78, we have a target of 735. Okay. Wow, big push. Next target 760. Oh, you are? All right. Well, good job, Becca. We'll see you Monday. Take care. Target 760. So right here, what they're doing is they're fading the market against the big target. So we've been here before, and maybe worth taking a shot at it for a pullback down to 700. Let them run the price. Let's see here. Not ready. Okay. Yeah, not ready. All right. So target is 785. Here comes the shorts again trying. we're not too far away from this thing. At least going into a consolidation. Harmony zone number one um, is support, so we need to see at least a break under 723, and we'll see if the longs are tired here or not. But the swing trade target is 785. Pullbacks have been holding. Target 785 half. Yeah, I know, I know. It's definitely been running. They've been running the stops since he's been talking. To Godspeed. I know. It's been costing me. All right, so target is 810. I was up 1,400 bucks early on. Gave some of it back, but just I gotta stay focused and keep on trading. That's all. Top of the hour coming up. I guess positive. Positive is positive, right? Target is 810. 810 coming up. Target is hit. Next target is 835. So micromanaging a trade. The word micromanage implies something negative. I mean, ultimately, you need to. If you're expecting something, you're just looking at the market and saying, okay, is it proving what I'm expecting? And if it is, you keep the trade going. And if it's not, you have two choices. Either you wait for the whole stop to get hit, or if the market tells you early it's not cooperating, you just get out for less money than a full stop. So is that part micromanagement? I think it's just management to the evolving market that you see. Trading your stops, something that you also do. But the conditions to do it is a market that is trending. And yeah, I mean, so one of the things that is will help you with trailing is, hold on a second, is right here. Let's look at that. Yeah. So the harmony wave, whenever you start getting a trending market, you start getting a hit of that level and a bounce, hit that level and a bounce. And it's almost like you're skipping a rock on a surface of water, and the market just does this. And it's a good spot for trailing right under it and right under the middle of the clouds. Those two spots are very good trailing ones for the move. Eventually the heaviness will break both, but yeah, that's a double top up here. So that's tells me that the market is just probably getting tired. They may run the stops one more time just for good measure, but there's definitely a distribution level going on right here. And that's good thinking, Rodrigo. You are a manager of money. You're preserving capital, you're managing capital, you're preserving expectancy and preserving your trading edge. Here comes a break under 68 will lead to a push toward 55. Here comes the 55. Definitely the market is shifting here. Okay, so now on a swing trade basis, rallies are shortable, and we got a target of 710 as a swing trade target. Rallies into harmony zone number one are areas where we need to be looking at for Yeah, not bad, not bad. We may be running into 68.75 here on a bounce. We want to see how they handle that push up to that target. Here they come. 68.75. Well, close enough, right? All right. I'm just done with this, man. We're gonna go short here, or going short and looking for a push below 44. I'm gonna tighten this thing up too. I'm not giving it too much room. Wow. I'm breaking even plus. It's either gonna go right here or it's gonna, well, yeah, give me a tick. I think this market is kind of getting ready for a push lower. We gotta make sure that we're not risking too much in this rotation. Our target is 710. Yeah, they're about to send it. Here they go. You gotta protect 774. Taking out the stops, what they're doing with the stops. We have a bunch of stops sitting under 35s. The 40 is an issue, and I get it. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a very tight scalp and just look for another rally to get short into. They're not picking, like, the momentum here on a stop run is not. If there's momentum, they typically take the stops and run. I mean, now they're doing it, but so I gotta keep it a little bit tight. I think I picked up like less than maybe like 3 or 4 points. Target is 710. as long as we don't go anything over 778, the issue here is you have a captain set up long on the 50, so the market is actually consolidating, and there's a formation that it's long biased in and around this area, so that kind of puts this idea of getting short on hold till it resolves itself, and the idea is right here. Like, you don't want to see a captain set up long, because that market will start pushing higher off that base. Yeah, and the fact that we got here means that we're gonna go to 88s and potentially 90s. So that's coming up. That's the 88s. We're at harmony zone number 2, which is typically a rejection area, but we gotta see the market really kind of rejecting and showing a behavior that has momentum in it. How are you guys dealing with all of this? So futures is green, David is green, Marty is green, Adam is green, Becca is green, I'm green. Rodrigo, how we doing? SNK, how we doing? Chuck, any trades? Be green, be gone. That's the word, right? It's either you rob them or they rob you. Take the money and go. Irish goodbye. That's a new one. What is an Irish goodbye? Ah, okay. An Irish goodbye is the act of quietly leaving a party or social gathering without telling anyone or saying a formal farewell. Ah, that's the Irish goodbye. I tell you one thing: that you take their money here, they want you back. Like when I play poker, like in a casino or something, like if I had like a good run off the bat, I'm like trying to, take my money and go. And everybody on that table was like, man, what are we gonna do? A hit and run? Like, sit down. We just started to play. You can't just take our money and leave. And my answer is yes, I can, and yes, I will. We'll catch you guys on the next one. So that's not quite an Irish goodbye, but it's a good poker goodbye. I mean, speed, range, and behavior. I mean, the speed and range and market is very quiet here. Sure. Yeah. This thing is something else here. Good. Hmm. Yeah, no, no. I mean, they're just fucking wasting our time. That's what they're doing. They're about to take some stops under this. Target is 710. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, that's a test and a retest, and that's what the market is trying to do here. I mean, they retested this, pulled back. You may see 700 and 650. I know that's what they're doing. Okay, target is hit. Next target is 685. I mean, it's gonna probably happen fairly quickly. Look at that. Target is hit. Next target is 660. We're about to hit the next target. Yeah, I know. Yeah, did you make some? Yeah, good. 80 points on that one. Good for you, man. Yeah, good for you for making 80 points off of that punch. Well, let them run it back up. Let them run it up. Okay. All right. So that kind of puts us in a position where we need to kind of look for a short toward that target. Man, I tell you, yeah, that's gonna stop me. gonna stop myself. We should be punching 75. That's okay, man. It just I'm a little bit off today. I mean, I ran the account up $1,500, and I've been kind of backing off. So I know that I'm just need to, be done. I'll take $48 and be just happy with it. I'll take $48, be happy with it. Yeah. Target is 660. They're about to hit that level. Target is hit. Next target is 635 and a half. Which is Globex, by the way. Coming up. Next target is 610. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think he'll get 600. Target number 5. Your medicine. Here comes that 600 you're looking for. $610 coming up. Target is hit. Next target is 585. 585. This is a risky trade, but I'll take it. You're gonna go break even and let it run to 15. It should go to 13.15. I'll take 13. It should be going a lot higher, but I'm just gonna take this and move along. So what happened there? What happened is the market hit that below the 585, which is our target, and to the tick reversed and put a captain setup long, 6-prong captain setup long on the 20 NT Renko. So it's automatically, I can fade that with that idea, and just for a push. And typically this will just go up and test harmony zone number 1, and that will be setting you up for a stop of 84, which is less than 10 points for me, and the potential of getting 5 times as much. I mean, they're doing it again, actually, by the way. So like I can jump in and jump in on this again. Here we go. Captain set up long on the 50, and they're gonna punch it up to 64.75. The stop to this rotation is 586. But I mean, the entry is like what, 95, so 94, like not here. No. Okay, that's fine. 600 to 618. Let's see if they do it again. Nope. So they took out the stops. That's fine. Oh, they're gonna get me. I guess you play with fire. I took 2 out and I have 1, and I'm gonna wait for 80. I mean, right in front of target number 6, we should get a bounce back up to 80. I'm gonna go break even. And if it doesn't bounce to 70 very quickly, yeah, it's gonna stop me out. That's fine. That's fine. No harm done. I just got to be very careful here because the trend is short, but we're coming to very critical structures which is target number 5 and target number 6. And whenever the market is extended to those levels, you will get counters, very strong counters. I guess I'm not meant to make money today. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Uh, all right, so let's see what we're gonna happen here. They're busting right through that extension of target number 6. Like, okay. And NQ gave it all the way back. Oh yeah. All of this, all of that was just nothing but a joke. You know, they put those two captains set up short. They ran it over. They came back above that level, and then let's see here. Yeah, I know. I know. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. I call this a flat day for me. I mean, we were up as much, we were up significantly. Give the profit most of it back. I'm just gonna call it a day. It's a Friday. Go hit the gym. Go relax. Have some good food. And Monday's another day. We'll do this again. Still a positive day after commission. All right, guys. See you later. Have a good one. Yeah, take care.